You asked, how to divide 1358 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 13. 13 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 452 remainder 2.